Sometimes life can get you down, but just like this river here, you just gotta keep flowing. You just gotta keep going. Pick yourself up. Remember the things that you love. Think about what you can do to make the world a better place on a daily basis. Love those around you. Fight for those who can't fight for themselves. Live a simple life. Possessions and extravagance doesn't bring you happiness in the long run. In the long run, it's the people in your life and enjoying the world around you. Haven't posted in a while. Been going through some shit. But I love all y'all.